Welcome back to Finance Matters, where we break down the significant trends shaping our world today. Do you think gold will travel to new highs of $5,000 an ounce within the next 3 years? See how you think at the end of this video. I'll be covering the numbers, why Russians have purchased so much gold, as well as what I believe is the Kremlin's strategy, the global implications and the outlook for the future and the price of gold. So please engage, leave some comments below, remember to like and subscribe. In terms of numbers, these are staggering. In the first quarter of 2025, Russia has been on an unprecedented gold buying spree, setting new highs as its citizens rush to protect their savings. And gold reached a new all-time high in April 2025 of $3,500 an ounce. In this video, we'll be diving into why this is happening, what it means for global markets, and the economic forces driving this aspect of the golden rush. Russians purchased an estimated 15 metric tons of gold in February alone, the highest monthly volume on record. This isn't just a small uptick. Gold sales in Russia have more than doubled since early 2023, and the rise of gold's price has been relentless. While gold has been trading near record highs, Russian demand has remained remarkably strong, with the country's citizens collectively spending roughly $2 billion on physical gold in 2024. So why are Russians buying so much gold? What's driving this gold rush? The answer lies in a perfect storm of economic and geopolitical factors. First, Russia's ongoing war in Ukraine has created significant economic uncertainty. Western sanctions have isolated Russia from much of the global financial system, limiting investment options for ordinary citizens. Second, inflation has been persistent in Russia. The ruble has experienced volatility, losing roughly 30% of its value against the US dollar since the start of the Ukraine conflict. Third, there's the matter of accessibility. The Russian government has made gold purchases more attractive by eliminating the 20% VAT on gold bullion in March 2022. This policy change came just after Western sanctions were imposed, making it clear the Kremlin wanted to provide Russians with alternative ways to store wealth. The Kremlin Strategy. Russia's central bank has also been aggressively adding to its gold reserves. Since 2014, when tensions with the West over Crimea began, Russia has more than doubled its official gold holdings. This dual approach, encouraging both citizens and the central bank to accumulate gold, appears to be part of a broader strategy to reduce dependence on Western financial systems and the US dollar in particular. The Kremlin's messaging has been consistent. Gold is portrayed as a safe haven in turbulent times, particularly when your country is cut off from Western financial markets. So what about the global implication? The Russian gold rush isn't happening in isolation. It's contributing to global demand that's helping keep prices elevated near record levels. And remember, we've just hit an all-time high just this month in April 2025. Central banks worldwide purchased approximately 500 tons of gold in the first half of 2024, with Russia among the top buyers alongside China, India, and several Middle Eastern nations. What we're witnessing is part of a broader trend of de-dollarization, where countries that have tense relationships with the West are diversifying away from dollar-denominated assets. And what about the future outlook? Looking ahead, experts expect Russian gold demand to remain robust despite high prices. The fundamental drivers haven't changed in terms of Russia and its purchasing of gold. As long as geopolitical tensions persist, and do they look like they're going to stop, and Russians have limited investment alternatives, gold will continue to be seen as a reliable store of value. The Russian government is even considering allowing its citizens to include gold within their pension funds, which would further institutionalize gold ownership in the country. In conclusion, Russia's gold rush tells us something important about our changing world. In an era of geopolitical fragmentation, traditional safe haven assets like gold are finding new relevance, and I believe this will continue into the future. And in conjunction with many other factors, why won't we see the price of $5,000 an ounce? You tell me. Give me a convincing argument why we won't see that. Whether this trend continues, of course, some people think depends on many factors. The duration of the Ukraine conflict. Is it just going to end tomorrow? Is it going to kick on further? Is it going to grow into a wider conflict, bringing in other nations? Who knows? Western sanctions policies are also an influence, as well as Russia's domestic economic management. But one thing is clear, gold's ancient appeal as a store of value during uncertain times remains as powerful as ever. So that's it for today. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next video.